Hi friends, today we are going to solve binary search tree lowest common ancestor. So in the given problem, you'd be given pointer to the root of a binary search tree and two values v1 and v2. You need to return the lowest common ancestor of v1 and v2 in the binary search tree. So between v1 and v2, you have to find the lowest value. It is something like that. So let's write our code as we always do. So we have to check whether our root is none or not. So if root is none, then we would be basically returning the root, saying that no value could be possible. Return root. Now here comes the second part of this code. I do not know, indentation is wrong. Like a tab indentation means 4 spaces. 2. Okay, it looks good now. So the first condition, if v1 is less than root of info and v2 is also less than root of info, then we are going to the left subtree left node. So root would automatically become, we are performing a recursive algorithm. So LCA of root dot left with our values of v1 and v2, v1 comma v2 is a mistake. If v1 greater than root dot info and v2 is also greater than root dot info, root would become recursive algorithm root. You know the binary search tree, so the larger value goes on the right side and the smaller values goes on the left side. Here applying the similar principle, right dot v1 comma v2, and the third condition is so this is the way I thought of solving this solution, although I do have my issues with it, but it passes the test cases. So the basic idea what I thought about while solving this problem is that if the v1 value is smaller, both v1 and v2 value are smaller than the root.info, we would be performing a recursive call to the left node of the tree, and if the both v1 and v2 are greater than the root.info value, means the current value, then you'd be performing a recursive call to the right node of the tree. In this way we would be recursively calling it unless we find a condition where the current value of the node is greater than the v1 but at the same time would be smaller than the v2, so it should perform it automatically, say that it would be the lowest LCA among both of these values. So if you look at this question and if you understand the input format, then you could easily able to understand, for example, between 1 and 7. So between 1 and 7, which value is going to be the root or going to be the LCA? So it's going to be number 4. So that's the way we have been trying to solve it. Although I believe that there is an immense scope in this problem to find a better solution in Python. So if you guys, whoever is watching this video, finds a better solution, please comment below. Also try to join the Discord server where we could share our knowledge and information freely. So try to do that. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.